So, we decided to come out on this, yeah, see. We decided to come out on this dreary day to the beach to look for some sea glass and shark's teeth and that kind of stuff. But as you can see, where we live is like super foggy, trying to keep the lens clear. But it has like literally been raining here for now 18 days straight, and it's a complete mess. We had like 2 days of sunshine. It was really bad. So I just figured I'd vlog from out here for a little bit to show you some of the things that we're doing on this rainy, nasty day. And my glasses are covered in water. So here's Lyra. Check her out. Looks like somebody over there did something with sticks. And then, of course, people don't have a right mind about them and leave litter everywhere. It's a hot mess. So I think I'm going to bring the troop out here to clean this up. But it's actually gloomy, gray mess.
Suddenly became a Flow Rider song.
What?
No, that's Pitbull. Pitbull does too.
Yeah.
I can't get these. I can't get my
rapper straight.
I can't get my rapper straight. Oh. Hi guys.
Hi. Ow.
We are out and about. We're No, you're going to the movies. And you should have eaten breakfast.
I did.
Jim Jones open?
Yeah. We've had it a couple times. More horrible people. I've had it for lunch once. We had it for dinner once. Twice, actually, now that I think about it.
It's finally open. Yay!
It's Memorial Day weekend. And, stuff, yeah.
With his mouth open.
You do understand I'm the one that edit these videos before I post them.
I do understand that.
Are you laughing at?
Which means
But the thing is,
it'll never go up.
it needs to go up. Yeah, it will. Why? Because you don't want to admit that you burp out loud?
It's lies. They're
That
all
you
lies.
they are not lies.
All lies.
You're so full of it. Full of it.